In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Workload View. Whether you're managing a team or juggling tasks on your own, staying on top of workloads can make all the difference. ClickUp's Workload View is a fantastic way to visualize task assignments, monitor capacities, and ensure everyone is working efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up and use this feature to streamline your workflows and optimize your team's productivity. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account using your preferred method, whether that's with your email or a connected platform like Google. If you're new to ClickUp and don't have an account yet, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. After logging in, you'll land on the main ClickUp homepage. Over on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see your spaces. These are the organized areas where your projects, tasks, and teams live. Find the space that contains the tasks or team you want to review and click on it to open it. Once you're inside the space, look at the top of the page where the View tabs are displayed. Here you'll want to check if Workload View is already available. If you see it, simply click on it to access the Workload View. If Workload View isn't visible, don't worry. It's easy to add. Look for the plus sign at the top of the Views section and click on it. This will open up the View options. In the search bar, type the word Workload to quickly locate it. Once you find it, select it and add it to your space. Now you're ready to explore the Workload View. In the Workload View, you'll see a visual representation of all task assignments and your team's overall capacity. Take a moment to review this layout. The tasks will be organized into bars which are color-coded to indicate status. These bars help you quickly identify whether a person is under capacity, at capacity, or over capacity. This visual feedback is key to understanding where adjustments might be needed. To make sure your workload view is accurate, you'll need to ensure that every task has a clear assignee, a start date, a due date, and a time estimate. These details are essential because they allow ClickUp to calculate each team member's capacity correctly. Without them, the data in your workload view won't reflect reality. Next, it's important to set your workspace's working hours and account for non-working days like weekends or holidays. Adjust these settings so that your capacity charts align with your team's actual availability. This will make the workload view even more reliable when planning tasks and timelines. With everything set up, you can now use the workload view to its fullest potential. This feature is perfect for spotting bottlenecks, preventing burnout, and making informed decisions about task allocation. By redistributing tasks as needed, you can keep your team balanced and ensure everyone is working efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.